Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest videos. So girls, it is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet dog sweater ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And viewers, good comment in comment section. Very nice. Hopefully like this. Good comment in comment section. Very nice, beautiful ideas, beautiful pattern. Most demanding crochet collection. Some are light colored, some are dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Beautiful handmade knitting variety. Beautiful pattern. Most demanding crochet collection. Hopefully like this, so yours. Good comment section. Press the bell icon, like and share my video with your family friends. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.